Welcome again to another video. It's a boy Elrod, and I think I need this video. Want to do a update 1.5. However, in going forward, really want to get the website finished. It's almost done. So please do leave some comments below what you really want to see on the website if I haven't already embedded it in the website or put it on the website. Just some ideas. You can throw those ideas out so we can see if we can get the design of really deal with this certain way. Now, topics like productions, my approach, like techniques from building the beat up, on the spot beat making, and a whole 9 yards of things in that department. I have years of recording vocals under my belt, so I can tell you, my ways of going about doing it and a whole preference of things in that regards. However, I'll be doing some reggae stuff on this channel, and I'll also be doing dancer. But what I really want to do is talk more to you about a lot of stuff where I don't think tutorial video can really express the way how I really want to tell you or how to approach certain things among like mixing and copywriting and a lot of things. There's so much information what I really gather since the last 2 months where I really want to share with you. So I really want to look out for that. So there's a lot of video I really want to just talk and explain some things instead of just show you a tutorial video and that's alright, this is how you do it. I really want to make you hear like the expression and the motions in a decision we make mixing, doing business and so forth like that. So I have a lot of subjects or topics where I really want to just sit down and just talk, So I hope some of those topics really interesting to you and can help or benefit or educate or acquired knowledge from some of these topics where you can really put it to good use. So as we say, back in the day, nobody never used to tell me nothing or teach me nothing or me have to find out through trial and error. And God bless the little information the moment we get same way. So it helped me along the way with a few people same way who we learn from same way and share or trade information same way. So it is quite interesting, to really share some of these things with you, because I can tell you if a lot of beat makers or producers or songwriters overall have certain levels of information in about the music, because the music overall it's a very murky water, and if you have certain the knows how and what to do for what not to do, it go hard to navigate. So information like these or knowledge like these really want to share with most of who interested. As a matter of fact, you can't force donkey go a well. You see it, you have to want to go yourself. So I'm just saying as a metaphor. But anyways, just that I think I really miss out on the first update. So after this video, say we're gonna dive in as some very sensitive things. So without further ado, please do like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. You can DM me there also, or you can send me a message on Twitter also. Yeah, but for the most cases, me always depend on Twitter. Look, I just every now and then I probably might go up on Instagram, but me check my messages same way. So without further ado, it's a boy Eldohrado. Until next time, peace out.